Meaning of formula milk.
Formula milk.
Formula milk.
Formula milk.
Formula milk. Formula milk is a substitute for breast milk, typically made from processed cow's milk and fortified with vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients essential for infant development. It is designed to be a nutritionally complete alternative when breastfeeding is not possible or preferred. Formula milk comes in powder or liquid form, and is usually measured out according to a set ratio of powder to water. While it may lack some of the health benefits of breast milk, formula milk provides a safe and reliable way to nourish infants and help them grow into healthy children.